Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a super satisfying clean with me. I'm going to be deep cleaning my carpets as well as focusing on other areas of the house that often get forgotten and just freshen everything up. So do be sure to subscribe for lots of motivation every single week. Go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. So I wanted to start off in the bedroom today and go around, make the bed, sort out any washing that needs doing, and also give it a dust and a hoover, because I always feel like this room is so much more relaxing and calming, and the vibe is completely different in here once it's had a good dust and hoover. So I'm going to go ahead, move the fan out to give myself a bit more room, go in, give it a dust, give it a hoover, and just make it nice and fresh. I've only just noticed how bad these skirting boards are. As you can see, they are so dusty. They really do need a good clean. And I'm also going to go in and hoover all of the cracks and just get rid of all the dust and crumbs and everything, just so the bedroom is nice and fresh. I can't actually believe how much dust came off of these skirting boards. I didn't realise how bad they were. I did have to do a lot of it off camera just because it was so difficult to film, but I'm really glad that I finally got it done today. I'm now going to go in with the hoover and just hoover up in all the nooks and crannies that are really hard to get to, making sure everything is dust free and nice and fresh. So I'm now going to go in with the anti-bac spray. I'm just using Tesco's own. It works really well and it kind of smells like marzipan. So if you like marzipan, you definitely will like this spray. But as the skirting boards were really bad, I thought that it's actually been a while since I've done the doors. So I should probably go in and clean those as well. So I'm just going to whiz round cleaning all of the doors and the door handles and just disinfect everything and make sure everything's nice and clean. So once the bedroom was nice and clean, I wanted to put a wash load in because the washing had definitely built up lately. So I'm going to go ahead using my scent boosters from Aldi because I'm still absolutely in love with these. Couldn't recommend them enough. They smell absolutely beautiful. I'm still using the Mrs. Hinch Winter Edition in the Rose Wonderland scent. It smells beautiful. Definitely glad that I picked this up this year and definitely recommend it. It smells like you're wearing perfume even when you're not. Like, it's just that fresh and beautiful. So once all the washing was done, it was then time to put the washing up away and just give the kitchen a good clean. I'm now going in with the Flash all-purpose spray in the spiced apple scent. I'm just going to spray over the cabinets, sides, cupboards, drawers, literally everything in my kitchen, just to make it nice and clean and smell nice and festive.
Like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that. Like you're feeling sorry, 'cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that. Like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the soul. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault.
So I'm now going to go ahead and fill the sink up with some hot soapy water. I'm just using the Fairy Washing Up liquid in the eucalyptus scent to give these a good deep clean. And I'm saying these because I'm not really sure what they're called. So I'm just going to take those off, give them a good soak for a couple of hours because I've realised that they're looking a little bit yellow and could really do with a good soak. So I'm just going to leave those in while I do the rest of the house and also do the hob with the spiced apple flash because why not? Let's keep all the scents the same. So I'm just going to go in, give the hob a good scrub, and then the kitchen is done.
Girl, to the end, it don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. But you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry, that I'm no help, 'cause I'm
So once the kitchen was all done, I headed through into the living room to try and sort out the living room carpet, and to be honest, I didn't think it was going to work as well as it did. I thought that it had it, especially by the door, because we're always traipsing in and out, and I just thought it was worn, it was ruined, and there wasn't anything I can do. But I was pleasantly surprised with how new it came up. It just looks so fresh now, so I'm really glad that I did it before I let it get any worse. So I'm just going to go in and give it a good hoover first, get in all of the crumbs up and fluff and anything else that's on the floor.
no, I don't wanna be your
So the next thing I needed to do was go in with my Vanish carpet cleaner and give it a good spot clean on the areas that were the worst. So I'm just doing by both doors because that's where it's worn and muddy and just a little bit gross. So I'm just going to go in, giving it a good scrub and getting off the worst of it. So once I had all the carpets prepped, it was time to go in with the steam mop, and this thing is an absolute godsend. I absolutely love it. It worked so much better on the carpet than I actually thought it would, so I really wish that I did this before, but it looks amazing now. And I also did go ahead and add some of the Zoflora in the winter spice to the water just to make the whole downstairs smell amazing. But if you don't have a steam mop, I definitely recommend you do check them out. I'm going to leave mine linked in the description box down below if you do want to check this one out. I definitely recommend getting it for hard floors as well as carpets, and yeah, it's just made my carpets look brand new. I really hope you're enjoying today's video so far. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are, and also leave this video a thumbs up. I am uploading throughout December every single weekday, Monday through Friday, to bring you lots of cleaning motivation as well as some yummy recipes and general homemaking videos. So if you like everything to do with the home, you would definitely want to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So I'm just going to go ahead and hang up the washing whilst I let the carpet downstairs dry so I'm not walking all over it. And upstairs at the moment smells so nice. I wish you could smell it through the camera because it smells insane. I love the Mrs. Hinch Winter Edition. It just smells amazing. And obviously if you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I am a sucker for a good fragrance. All the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. Thank you so much for watching today's deep cleaning motivation. I hope it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for today. Now all I need to do is go around, put the lights on, light a candle and get everything super cozy. So I'll see you guys back here in the next one.